Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show how to add shadow in Photoshop. After starting Photoshop, I open an image. This is the soft drink can with transparent background. In this tutorial, I want to add a shadow under the soft drink can. Now, I want to make it visible. I want to add the color background. So I go to File folder and I drag and drop the image into Photoshop to import the background image. And I press OK. And then go to layers. If you don't find layers, we can go to window and show layers here. Now I go back to layers window and then I drag and drop the raw background to the bottom. Now we can see the soft drink can on the blue background. Next we can double click to open layer style. And I drag and drop to move the artboard to here. And then we can find drop shadow in the layer style and check the box to activate. Okay, we can have the drop shadow setting, and then we can set the color, we can set the opacity, we can set the angle and distance, and then we can set spread and size. I will keep to 100 in opacity and keep in black color. For angle, I will use 0, and then we can adjust the distance to 0 and size. I will keep it in 0 and then press OK. Next, we can select the layer that we have the drop shadow effect and go to layer, and we can find layer style and create a layer. And press OK. Then a drop shadow layer is created. I press Ctrl 0 to view it. Next, I select the drop shadow layer, and then we can distort it. So I go to Edit, and we can find Transform, and we can find Distort. Okay, and then we can click and drag to make it something like this, and we can adjust the size. Also, if you want to match the coefficient, we can go to Edit and Transform. We can use Warp, and then we can make coefficient something like this, and then press Enter to apply it. Now, if you want to make realistic shadow, the front part of shadow is sharp and the rear part of shadow is blur. So we can select the drop shadow layer and then go to filter, and we can find blur gallery. We can use flip blur. So we can find the point of the blur. We can drag and drop the positioning. I put it here. And then we can go to blur tool. I will keep it to about 5. And then we can go to the artboard. We can add another point of blur, and we can increase its value, something like that. If you are happy with this, we can press OK to apply the flip blur. Next, we can go to the drop shadow layer, and then we can add the mask, and we can add the changing of the gradient, and we can go to gradient and keep it in black and white, and we can drag and drop to make a gradient mask, and then we can make a fine adjustment. So this is how we can add shadow in Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video. Bye.